Hello, I have a wee job to do today, well, probably quite a big job, to repair a damaged cattle grid. It's already been repaired numerous times, so I'm going to grind down some of the welds that are there and make up some lengths of angle to help reinforce things. I started by marking up the areas that needed to be repaired. You can see here that this entire pipe section has become disconnected from the rest of the grid. Next, I ground down any existing welds that needed repaired and also prepared all the metal parts for welding. I started welding all of the cracks on the cattle grid first. I chipped away the slag with my chipping hammer after each weld. I tacked the pipe in before fully welding it. I used a clamp to hold everything in place while I tacked it. Then I welded it fully in. This is the finished job. It's not pretty, but it is functional. I've made some right angle brackets just to provide a little bit more support because a lot of these pipes were actually bouncing under the weight. There is now absolutely no movement on that one that I have replaced. And this one over here, that was the one that was completely missing. So that should last for another good while. That's me done for today, and I'll see you in the next one.